Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can send money from your Binance account to Wise. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Binance account right here, and inside you then want to make sure that you have a fiat balance on your account because you cannot send cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana into your Wise account. So the first thing that we want to do is to head over to our wallet right here, and then we want to simply trade our cryptocurrencies into a fiat currency. Now basically inside this page, you just want to simply click on the withdraw fiat, and from here this is the process on which we can then enter our Wise bank details or our US bank details for our Wise into Binance right here. Unfortunately, Binance is disabled on my country, so it will not show up right here. Now another way is using the P2P method. Now the P2P method is basically a person-to-person method on which you then have to give your cryptocurrencies, something like Bitcoin, USDC, USDT, into one of their payment methods, which is going to be Wise in our case. So to do that, you just want to head over to trade, click on the P2P option, and from here you then want to click on sell since we're selling our cryptocurrency. Right after clicking on sell, you will be able to simply select your cryptocurrency. It's going to be USDT, Binance, which is BTC, ETH, FBUSDC, and more. So you just want to select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell, and from here you then want to filter out the payment methods into Wise. Now once again, Wise isn't used on my country, so it will not show up right here, but you just want to make sure that you have searched for Wise as the payment method. Now in this case, they're accepting something like Cash App, Perfect Money, FaceBank International, and more. So you just want to look for a person that specifically uses Wise as the payment method. So from there, you then want to click on the sell USDC, and then you will begin the process. Now this step is really safe because it is regulated by Binance and you have nothing to worry about. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.